Okay, Toyota Vios first version, installed for ONEGo 10.1 inch, Android GPS big screen player. Okay, with OEM socket plug and play. Use original casing, so the screen will fix outside panel frame a little bit. So it's a normal screen. 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage. No DVD, no SD card, but it's come with a 2 USB slot. We'll put in a drawer, so USB extension. So nighttime driving, when turn on headlight, it's got a light from the left hand side. Okay, go to setting. You have to turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, full menu. It's got a video input, video output, Bluetooth function, pairing with your phone Bluetooth, and click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Okay, file manager to manage your file, internal storage, and after you insert the pen drive, it will show a USB here. Okay, download app from Play Store. So log in a Gmail to download app. It's got YouTube, Waze, Spotify, okay, and car setting. So equalizer, system info, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage, amplifier output 45x4, Android 6.0, GPS. So it's got a GPS antenna. Brightness, daytime brightness and nighttime brightness. Styling control. So it's got a camera input, so connect with the Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. I'll show you for the camera. So this is Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera view. It's got a fixed line, green, yellow, red. Okay, so this is Toyota Vios first version, installed for ONEGo 10.1 inch, OG-AD101, Android GPS big screen player, plug and play socket, installed by OneBiz. Thank you.